Basic versus advanced English. It's easy, it's undemanding. I guessed, I speculated. It's fast, it's fleet. I wrote about it. I documented it. I helped him, L assisted him. I showed them. I demonstrated it. I'm calm, I'm tranquil. I understand, I comprehend. I changed it, I modified it. I'm annoyed. I'm irked. It's clean. It's immaculate. I'm friendly. I'm amiable. It's cold. It's frosty. I used your idea. I implemented it. It's hot. It's sweltering. I made it better. I enhanced it. I'm scared. I'm spooked. It's bad. It's dreadful. I'm lucky. I'm fortunate. I'm smart. I'm astute. It's cheap. It's economical. I got it back. I retrieved it. I talked to her. I addressed her. I'm helpful. I'm supportive. Replacing these basic and normal English words, use these advanced English words to sound better.